Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Techie King. Ever wondered how much it costs to reach 1,000 people on LinkedIn through advertising? Let's talk about CPM, or cost per thousand impressions, a key metric for digital marketers. Specifically, we'll delve into LinkedIn Ads CPM, unique to LinkedIn's ad platform. Knowing how to use LinkedIn Ads CPM can be a game changer for your online marketing strategy. So, how do you actually use LinkedIn Ads CPM? Well, first things first, you'll need to set up a LinkedIn ad campaign. This is pretty straightforward. Just head to your LinkedIn account, click on Advertise, and then Create Ad. Next, you'll need to select your target audience. Think about who you're trying to reach with your ad. LinkedIn allows you to target specific industries, job titles, and even individual companies. Make sure to choose wisely. Then, set your budget. LinkedIn Ads operates on a bidding system, so you'll want to set a daily budget that you're comfortable with, while also considering the competitive landscape. Now comes the key part, monitoring your cost per thousand, or CPM. This is where you'll see how much you're spending to reach 1,000 people. Keep a close eye on this and don't hesitate to adjust your campaign as necessary to ensure you're getting the best bang for your buck. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use LinkedIn Ads CPM to reach your target audience. Let's recap what we've learned about LinkedIn Ads CPM. It's an invaluable tool for measuring cost per thousand impressions, guiding your budget decisions. Learning to use it effectively is crucial for digital marketers. Remember, the key to successful digital marketing is understanding your metrics, and LinkedIn Ads CPM is a vital one. Good luck with your LinkedIn advertising campaigns. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, The Techie King. Like and share.